I haven't seen a turn like this. It's a pretty early turn, and he just puts down his landing gear. Oh my god.
You don't have shoes on. You got shoes on?
Okay, he just put his gear down. It's a pretty early turn. Ah, crap. This is a black one. That's pretty quiet. That's a Challenger. That's a Challenger, right? I think that. Ah, come on! Stupid camera quality. I really need to get an actual camera. Ooh, another one. Wait, no, I think that's a Challenger. It looks. Wait, does Bombardier make the Challenger? I forgot, but I think that one is a Challenger, not the one that just flew by.